Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jake. If you're new here, it's been a minute since I've done a vlog, but this is a day in my life living in New York City. And I am currently about to head out the door. I'm going to a Reebok event. I just filmed a brand deal for them, and then they're doing like a coffee event this morning. So we're going to that, and then the lighting here is terrible. I should die. So I'm going to that event, and then I'm coming home changing, and then I have an event with Grown Alchemist and Army. It's like a workout class event, which I love because I haven't worked out yet today. Then this afternoon, I have a meeting, and then I have something after that, I think. Maybe. If not, we're gonna cook dinner together, because that sounds really relaxing, honestly. This is my outfit. JW Anderson, Uniqlo jacket, plain black tee, jeans from PacSun, and then my Reeboks. That's the fit, but I have to get in the car and head up to Chelsea right now for the event. I know Isaac is gonna be there, so I'll see him. I don't know who else is gonna be there, but it should be fun, and then we'll come back, change, and go to the next. I haven't vlogged in a minute because last time I tried vlogging was Fashion Week, and I dropped my camera and I broke the lens, so I had to buy a new lens, and it just got here this week. So I could have gotten it sooner. I was procrastinating. I just got home from the event. It was so cute. It is now 10:46 in the morning. I'm having a coffee. They had tiramisu lattes there, and then I just picked up a big black coffee for after. It's so hot. Hi, yeah, you ordered a hot coffee, done. I have about 30 minutes until I have to head out again, but I need to get some editing done and some other work done on my computer before then, so that's what I'm gonna do now while I eat egg bites that I ordered. I've been looking for my tripod. You guys, I'm conflicted. Wait, let me tell you this. I'm conflicted because I love my apartment and it finally feels homey, and I feel like I finally got my furniture the way I like it. Like it's lived in. I love my living room area. I like my desk. I like my bed. Like my apartment just feels like mine, finally. I move in a month. My lease is up May 15th. I am not re-signing because I don't get natural light, and with my job being content creation, natural light is very key in that, and it just, my mental health is not great in this apartment, but I do love this space. So anyway, I am trying to move in April just because my sister's wedding is in May, and I have some other travels that I'm planning, so I don't really want to bite off more than I can chew and do everything in May. So I was like, I'd rather pay double rent for a little bit than be like scrambling last minute in May. That being said, I need to start looking at apartments. So that's gonna be a series coming soon, apartment hunting in New York City. Right now, I really want anything like Chelsea or below. Chelsea, Flatiron, anything below, particularly West Side. I would do East Village, I would do Lower East Side. I have a good group of friends that live there. I really like Greenwich. I'll make a full video on this later. Don't worry about my apartment currently, what I'm looking for, where I'm wanting to move, all that, whenever I start that series. Right now, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna eat my egg bites and go do some work. I'm now heading out the door to Army. It is 11:30. It takes about 30 minutes to get there. So basically I'm fucked. Anyway, it's a workout class, but I also think I want to go to the gym after, so I'm bringing this bag. There's nothing in it. I think I'm gonna call an Uber though, because the subway I would take, I would have to walk 10 minutes to, and then wait, and then walk when I get off, and it's a little chilly out there. So I'm justifying this by calling an Uber. Or I'm trying to justify me calling an Uber by explaining to you why I should call an Uber. I should just call the Uber. Where's my phone? The jig. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey vlog!
We just got smoothies.
What is it on? Is that what people
Oh,
say?
they say
I'm
on.
fucking on.
It's almost 3 p.m. I just got back from army, jumped in the shower really quick. I got a smoothie with Colton after, and then I walked around and I walked all the way back from Soho down to Fide. I've been out a little bit, but I have a meeting starting at 3, so in 2 minutes now. So I'm gonna jump on that. And then that's the last thing that I have today, work-wise. And then, well, no, that's not. I have to edit something and send it in for this morning. I wanna cook myself dinner tonight because I don't have anything, I don't think. And I need to run to Whole Foods and get that. But my computer has been so slow, but that's okay. Why does it, whenever you RSVP for a meeting, why does it delete it from your email? That doesn't make sense. Dismiss. But like, whatever. Who am I the judge? Okay, I will see you after this. Unless you want to quietly watch and observe. It's 3:45 and my meeting just ended, but I'm chowing down on oatmeal with an apple because I didn't really have lunch. How does my jaw look? I need to stop drinking coffee, it's so late. It was a busy morning and now it's slow afternoon. Ooh. I'm going stir crazy. Cooking chicken right now. I just got off the phone with my sister, but I'm just making some chicken breasts, and then I'm gonna do like a broccoli and potato mash, and then a little salad, maybe. Potato, broccoli, and then I have my chicken that's ready to go in the oven. I need a bigger saucepan. This is the broccoli mashed potatoes. Let's try. Needs a little bit more of fucking everything. Okay, they taste good now. Okay, I'm impatient, so if the chicken's not cooked, then the only person getting sick is me, and I would get skinny. I think it's cooked. It's definitely cooked. It looks very boring. Well, if this doesn't look like the blandest, saddest meal ever, it kind of is. I don't even need to try it. I already know it's gonna need this. I just got a new Lola blanket, so I'm sitting on that.
With depression, it feels like every day you're just going through the motions.
So real. I'm gonna give you guys a PR haul from today. Oh, it's from Ellis Brooklyn. I love them. They're like the best team ever. The Miami Nectar scent. Isla Serena scent. Oh, I love them. Thank you guys. Let's see. Anti-dandruff hair care reinvented with dermatologists. 2-in-1 anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Thank you guys. I'll show you what they gave us at the Grown Alchemist event too. This is, ooh, wait, what is this? Don't get me excited now. Yay! A little body scrubber exfoliator. I love these. I need a new one too, so that's perfect. Slay. This is the resurfacing targeted body cleanser and resurfacing targeted body lotion. I just did a brand deal with them for these 2 products, and I already went through the 2 bottles they gave me because I use them religiously. So I'm excited to get more. Yay. Aw, thank you guys. Restorative hand cream. You know I love a hand cream. I have like 5 of their hand creams. I use them every day. And then this is, oh, lip balm. Wait. Ooh, it smells good. What's the smell? It reminds me of something that I love. Facial cleanser. And that's Grown Alchemist. Last box came from Chris McMillan. Oh, they have my heart. Where's my phone? I need to take a picture. Thank you so much for being a part of the family. I'm so excited to see all the ways you use the glassy, smooth hair oil in your life. I can't wait to hear what you think. Chris. This is a little comb. Wait, this is so cute. Aw, thank you guys. I'm gonna clean my apartment, do my skincare, and then get in bed. And I think that is going to end this vlog here. But thank you so much for joining me for the day. I love you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all the things, hit the bell for notifications on when I post more videos. Working on a schedule to be more consistent and finding ways to do that. But also, if there's any certain type of video you want to see me do, let me know below. More baking coming soon too, more cakes, fun Easter cakes coming soon on my other social medias. so make sure to follow me on there. I will see you guys next week, but I love you. Bye.